So you have a circuit board with a broken trace. Let me explain how Techspray's TraceTech PCB Repair Pens can make a trace repair faster and more effective. Typically, to fix a broken trace, you would solder a jumper wire to bypass the break. While that certainly does the job, the process is time-consuming and you're left with a repair that looks bad and has 2 more solder joints that can cause problems later on. TraceTech Repair Pens offer a faster, easier way to repair a broken trace. First, use a knife to remove the resist and expose the conductive areas on each side of the break. If your PCB has been coated with conformal coating, you may need to remove it around the repair area with TraceTech Conformal Coating Pen. Prep the area with TraceTech Flux Remover Pen. Apply conductive ink between the breaks in the trace. TraceTech Conductive Pen contains highly conductive silver ink and a pen tip fine enough to patch the trace as needed. Once the conductive ink has fully cured, which takes about an hour, use TraceTech Green Overcoat pen to patch the solder resist over the repaired trace. When you're done, you have a repaired trace that functions as it did before and looks professional. For more information on how our products can improve your PCB repair processes, contact your Techspray technical specialist.